Where should we look for Yoshi? Oh no, I'm trying to squeeze Eggman. Ow, my butt! You don't see nothing. Okay. Oh, where should I hide? A shoe! Plush World has some changes because Parrot fixed them up. Yeah. Kind of me. Parrot. Okay, so what are we gonna do? I don't know. What? Hey guys, what's up? What? Why are you guys sounding like that? Long story actually. Yoshi got kidnapped. We're trying to save him, but then Eggman got in our way. I didn't know what to do. Pirate Parrot and me tried to set out on an adventure, but then we kept looking at that. You were just looking at a space picture. Yeah, basically. Parrot? That can't be good. What if he got teleported to Earth? Holy, that's not true. Please, we need him on this adventure. Yeah. Where am I? Why am I so large? I'm bigger than that lake. Why am I so huge? Pirate Parrot is huge. Pirate Parrot is huge. Wow, this is actually beautiful. Pirate Parrot likes this world. I can't fly. Pirate Parrot can't fly. Where did you go? Back there? In the TV? Yeah, I actually saw you guys, but I didn't want to tell everybody that was watching. Speaking of everybody watching, please like and subscribe. We're trying to hit 100K before the end of 2023, alright? That thing with when we were trying to be the first young person to ever get 100K, it's not possible anymore. Somebody got past us. But yeah, let's get on. Wee! Ouch! Dude, don't do that ever again. We're trying to, I don't know. Oh! Silver, what should we do? I don't know. You guys need to think of a great plan. Great plan? What do you mean by that? I don't know. Whoa! Now Silver is gone. What are we gonna do? Pirate Parrot doesn't know. Pirate Parrot doesn't know. Can you give me a cracker? No. Why am I so huge? Guys, I can see you. Whoa! Okay, why do I keep saying Silver? Ah! I don't know. Because you keep saying me. Okay. Whoa! You gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh, what does this keep happening to everybody? Parrot doesn't know. Parrot doesn't know. Oh my gosh. Okay, why am I so... Oh my gosh, I see them. But I'm stuck. Wait, is that water? Oh no. How do I get out? They glitched. But... Whoa, I think I'm glitching too. Parrot saw movie Sonic get splattered in the face. Oh my gosh, what is going on? I have no idea, but my face is literally hurting so much. Glad my scratch is almost gone. Ugh! Okay, so what's basically going on right now? I don't know. Plus, where's real Sonic? I haven't seen him in like a long time. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't know where Sonic actually is, but I basically don't even know. Well, Silver, can you help us? Yeah, sure. We just gotta find Yoshi. I see something. It's Yoshi! Guys, help me! I'm trapped! Oh. Ah! Wow, there is some changes here. What should we do? Oh no! We tried getting in there. It won't budge. What are we even supposed to do? I don't even know. Parrot doesn't even know. Why would I know? Because you're smart and thinkable. Thinkable? What do you think I'm thinkable? Well, there is some big changes here, which could possibly lead to death. Death. Yeah, death works around every single corner, Parrot. Yeah. The more traps we get into, the less we might have to live. Yeah, that's actually kind of scary to talk about, Silver, but since you can go into the future, you could probably, I don't know, with this big fight going on. Alright, time travel! You didn't even say goodbye. Ah! Ouch! Ow! What was it like? Oh, I do not want to tell you. Sonic is gonna fight Eggman right after this. And it's gonna be big. I mean big, alright. Big. Oh. Okay, when you say big, it makes me a lot scared. Because, is it gonna be a giant fight? Yeah. I heard Eggman say the word... Oh, I'm trying to think. I remember it. Paradox Prism. Wait, Movie Sonic, what are you doing? Nothing. Okay. The Paradox Prism. I barely even know about that. Same. I just don't really know what that actually is. Yeah. Parrot also doesn't know what a Paradox Prism is. Oh my gosh, why does everybody have to say what a Paradox Prism isn't? Okay, I saw it. Oh my gosh. Sonic real Sonic gets teleported in there. We don't know what happens, but the Paradox Prism could be dangerous. We don't even know what it's even about. Okay, that's actually crazy to think about. Pirate Parrot doesn't even know what the Paradox Prism is, and it might lead to death. Dude. It could possibly be Pirate Parrot. That's why we need to be careful every single step we go into, for dangerous things to happen. Pirate Parrot needs to talk more. Pirate Parrot needs to talk more. Okay, can you just stop saying your name whenever you talk? That's what pirates usually do. I mean parrots. Okay. Stop saying your name. Alright. Like whenever you talk, okay? It's basically annoying. And oh my gosh, what is that? Don't look at that, guys. That's disgusting. Nope. Ah! Ow, my face! I couldn't even breathe. All right. Looks like they're relaxing with Silver. When did he get there? I gotta think of a plan. I didn't know Silver would be there. Now he's gonna think of the entire future. He's trying to save the future. Oh no, that cannot be true. No, this is bad for me. I gotta be quiet still. I'm gonna take a big breath. Alright, I have it. Okay. I can still breathe. Ouch, my butt cheek. Pirate Parrot, this is a big thing for you. Alright. This Pirate Parrot needs to do everything and save the world and our reality. Hopefully. I don't even know why I said reality. Oh my gosh. You're a genius. That's what Eggman said about the Paradox Prism. Paradox Prism. I still don't know what that is. It's alright. It's alright, bro. Paradox Prism? That leads me to think, after this big fight, I will come back, get that Paradox Prism, and then, everything shall be mine. Yes, Eggman's coming for you, Paradox Prism. Paradox Prism, I'm coming for you. After this fight. Part 3. Tomorrow.